RFK Jr. has pulled funding for some vaccine projects that will be halted within the Department of Health.
Among them, mRNA development contracts. Secretary Kennedy says data proves they, quote, fail to protect effectively against upper respiratory infections. The up to $500 million is being shifted to, quote, broader vaccine platforms that remain effective even after viruses mutate. Our Lydia Nathan spoke to some local doctors to learn more.
With potential cuts of certain vaccines, what does this mean for you and those you love? The Department of Health and Human Services announced its cancellation and funding pull for some vaccines. mRNA technology found in COVID-19 and flu shots will now be put on pause. Dr. Shayla Toombs-Witter says the technology helps the body process vaccines.
Usually targeting with vaccines are certain viruses or illnesses, and so they'll use things like mRNA technology to make copies of those things so that then we can vaccinate to have it as really a way of targeting those conditions so that we can prevent children and adults from getting those conditions.
mRNA technology is vastly known for its role in slowing down the spread of COVID-19. Because of the halt, it may be harder to protect yourself from certain viruses. Philip Smith says regardless of the type of vaccine, we should focus on the purpose.
Regardless of how you feel about vaccines, whether it be mRNA or the old one that's grown in an egg, they do all work to protect you from these terrible diseases.
For more information and updates, click on this story in our app and our website. Reporting in Chattanooga, Lydia Nathan, Local 3 News.